Hey everyone! Glowing Star, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got some exciting news about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 range, set to launch at the end of January next year. With just over a month to go, leaks are intensifying, and we've got all the juicy details on pricing, features, and even new magnetic cases. If you're a Samsung enthusiast or just curious about the latest in smartphone technology, stick around because we've got a lot to cover. Pricing details. Let's start with the pricing. Retail pricing data gathered by WinFuture indicates that in most European nations, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will apparently cost the same as their Galaxy S24 equivalents. For example, the 256GB storage edition of the Galaxy S25 is slated to retail for €959, while the standard model will cost €899. The bigger Galaxy S25 Plus will start at €1,149 for the 256GB model and €1,269 for the 512GB variant. The luxury Galaxy S25 Ultra will cost €1,449 for the 256GB model, €1,569 for the 512GB version, and €1,899 for the 1TB option. In the US, there have been no indications of pricing increases, so we could see the Galaxy S25 priced at $799, the Galaxy S25 Plus at $999, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra at $1,199. However, given that the Galaxy S24 arrived with higher costs, there is still a possibility of a price hike. In Samsung's native market of South Korea, sources imply price increases across the whole Galaxy S25 lineup, although specific figures remain uncertain. Design and features. Meanwhile, dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced online, confirming previous leaks. The photos highlight substantial design modifications, including smoother edges and a uniform flat frame. The next-gen Ultra model is expected to be flatter and have rounder sides than its predecessors. These design cues have been confirmed again by high-quality photographs of Galaxy S25 Ultra dummy units. While these dummy units are produced by a third party and don't have Samsung branding, they give us a good idea of what to expect. Some features that might be inaccurate are the camera rings and the lack of a periscope camera module. The thought that Samsung might replace the periscope telephoto camera with its new, all lenses on prism module is not inconceivable. However, dummy units don't frequently get everything right, particularly around camera modules. Magnetic cases innovation. Aside from the price and dummy units, Samsung has continually set new standards in the smartphone business, and the upcoming Galaxy S25 is no exception. One of the most interesting changes is the inclusion of magnetic covers, which stands out as a potential game changer. The magnetic cases utilize built-in magnets within the phone and its associated accessories. While Apple's MagSafe system leads the way in magnetic technology, Samsung's solution is expected to offer unique capabilities geared to the Galaxy environment. Leaked details from a Finland store suggest that magnetic cases will be available for the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. These cases will operate with wireless charging and align magnetically with compatible chargers. The new magnetic cases demonstrate a new standard for wireless charging, containing a feature called Magnetic Power Profile, which helps align the phone correctly with wireless chargers. They also support magnetic accessories like cases, wallets, and pop sockets. Samsung is likely to integrate compatibility in its future S series, making these cases practical for users who utilize magnetic accessories.